Strength. It comes in many forms, and from some places you might not expect. Let's look at a few. Strength can come in numbers. 95, for example. That outstanding number is our Comdex score, an independent ranking of companies based on the combined quality of their industry ratings. Strength can come in letters too. For us, it's the letter A, as in all the A's we earn from top industry rating agencies, such as AM Best, Standard & Poor's, Fitch, and Moody's. Strength can also be found over time. For example, our corporate heritage dates to 1888. That's decades upon decades of experience and decades upon decades of strength. Strength can come from capital. In fact, Western and Southern's capital to asset ratio significantly exceeds the average of the 15 largest publicly traded U.S. life insurers. Strength can come by association. We're pleased our parent company is a member of the Fortune 500, a snapshot of America's largest corporations ranked by revenue. It's an elite group of which we're proud to be a part. Strength can come from inside. We're U.S. owned and operated, and we always have been, made up of people who foster a long-term outlook for your future. Strength can come from focus. We're a member of a mutual insurance holding company, focused on doing what's right for our policyholders because there are no stockholders. Strength can also come from culture. We believe in guiding principles that help us operate with a culture of integrity. But ultimately, our strength comes from you, our customers. Generations of individuals place their faith and trust and confidence in our company to help them create an income, leave a legacy, or protect a family. Our strength comes from all these places, and we share it with our customers every day. People like you and your friends and your neighbors. Folks who make us a part of their lives by investing their hard-earned dollars in strategies we implement as a team. Together, we are all stronger. Thank you for being a part of our strength. For more strong points on our company, visit our site